Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Toyota Camry with a dead key fob. First, you will need to manually unlock your vehicle. Look for a small release tab on your key fob, usually on the side or bottom. Slide this tab and pull out the hidden metal key. Insert this key into the driver's door lock cylinder and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. The vehicle alarm may sound, but don't worry, it will stop once the engine starts. Once inside, place your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Now, take your dead key fob and hold it directly against the Start/Stop button on your dashboard. While keeping the fob pressed against the button, push the Start/Stop button firmly. This action allows the vehicle to read the weak signal from the fob, bypassing the need for a strong battery. Your Camry should now start, allowing you to drive. This clever method works because your Toyota Camry is equipped with a built-in backup system. Even when the key fob battery is completely dead, the fob still contains a passive transponder chip. By touching the fob directly to the Start/Stop button, you allow the vehicle's ignition system to detect this weak, passive signal. This enables the car to recognize the key and initiate the starting sequence, getting you back on the road. After successfully starting your Camry, you can drive it as you normally would. However, it is crucial to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Toyota key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual for precise instructions on how to open your specific key fob and replace the battery. Keeping a spare battery on hand can prevent future inconveniences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.